December 17th, 2016. Guys, we're looking at very extreme weather, and I've talked about it for a few months. You're looking at geometric center right there to the right of this as far as the Earth, and you can see the actual center of the Arctic vortex is to the left of that. But with the solar minimum, we don't have this well-formed polar vortex or Arctic vortex, depending on who you talk to. It's spread out. It's not formed. It's not tight. With solar minimum, this line is extremely unusual. It stretches from New Mexico, Arizona, all the way through Pine Bluff, Arkansas, and that's kind of the critical point up the Appalachian chain. Guys, you haven't seen the NOAA wind map on my videos since we tracked Hurricane Matthew. It was just a wind blowing off of Africa, and we tracked it the entire time. And at that time, I was showing you winds and sea surface temperatures on this map. We haven't used it much. It's this cool area off the top of North America. That's going to push over to you guys in the UK and Ireland. You're going to see some extreme weather. The entire northern hemisphere is about to go through some changes. Talked about this mini ice age coming in with the solar minimum. And if you just go to Google, guys, and type in Mauder, M-A-U-D-E-R, minimum, things like that. Again, another look at this line, guys. This is very unusual. It's extremely strong, and I'm extremely surprised we don't have more tornado warnings out now. But it's early. Yesterday, guys, we were running the wood-burning heater. Today, I was in shorts and T-shirts working here in the South. Let's go to the National Weather Service, their full map. You're getting a break on the West Coast from that Pineapple Express. You need more rain in California in those areas, I realize that, but you don't need landslides behind the wildfires. Here is the problem. If this continues to push south, then these tornado warnings are going to continue through North Mississippi, push further south than Pine Bluff, Arkansas, and get it into Alabama. Guys, Huntsville, that area, be very careful tonight, because you can see the temperature changes. And when you see that much wind pressure pushing from the north, hitting this warm air from the south where we're at now, there's going to be trouble. This is way too warm for Mississippi on December 17th. But just keep an eye on your weather channel. If you've got a lot of alerts that's set up for local tornado warnings, things like that, just keep an eye on it. This is not good. It's too hot here. It's too cold where you're at north of us, and that wind is building. It's a heads up. Be safe.